I like to escape to the desert. So this place is called Soggy Dry Lake Bed. I've been here for a couple hours flying the drone, getting shots on the GoPro, getting shots with the Blackmagic, shots with iPhone. I just had a blast today, you know. This is one of those places that I just discovered on my own. So I found this place just on Google Maps looking for a huge wide open space. Just in the middle of the desert, middle of nowhere. There's so many places to explore. So my tips for having an amazing adventure experience: go where the crowds aren't going. Go to places that have no reviews. Go to places that aren't on Instagram yet. Just go somewhere and discover it for yourself. You'll be shocked at how awesome that is. I'm so excited right now because I had a blast filming in this dry lake bed by myself for a couple hours. Thanks again for watching. I actually really appreciate the likes and the comments and the new subscribers. It's awesome. I mean, any kind of feedback is actually really welcome.